Microsoft Outlook not responding is an error where Outlook freezes, becomes unresponsive, or stops working while you're trying to open emails or perform any task. This issue can slow down your work and sometimes even force you to close Outlook completely. In this video, I'll share 3 effective methods to fix this problem and get your Outlook running smoothly again. So let's dive in. Method 1. Run Outlook in safe mode and disable suspicious add-ons. To start, let's run Outlook in safe mode. Press Windows + R to open the Run dialog box. In the field, type Outlook/safe and click OK. This will launch Outlook in safe mode. Once Outlook opens, click on the File tab and then select Options. In the Outlook Options window, navigate to the Add-ins section. At the bottom, you'll find the Manage drop-down. Make sure COM Add-ins is selected, then click on the Go button. Now, in the COM Add-ins window, carefully review the list of installed add-ins. If you notice any suspicious or unnecessary add-ins, select them and click Remove to uninstall. After removing the add-ins, click OK to save your changes. Now restart Outlook normally and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists, don't worry, just move on to the next method. Method 2. Reduce the file size of Outlook PST file. One of the most common reasons Outlook freezes or becomes unresponsive is an oversized PST file. When the file grows too large, it can significantly impact performance. To reduce the PST file size, you can start by deleting unnecessary emails, attachments, or old items. In addition, Outlook provides a built-in option to compact your PST file. To do this, go to the File tab, then click and expand the Account Settings menu and select Account Settings. In the Account Settings window, double-click on your Outlook data file. This will open the Outlook Data Files settings. Here, simply click on the Compact Now button. Outlook will then automatically compress the file and reduce its size, which can help improve performance. Alternatively, if you prefer not to delete emails or rely on compacting, you can reduce the PST file size by splitting it into multiple smaller files. For this purpose, you can use the Regain PST Splitter Tool. This is an advanced solution that allows you to split PST files based on size, date range, or specific message criteria. It also comes with several additional features to make file management easier. You can download a free trial from the official website and explore its full capabilities. If reducing the PST file size doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to repair your Outlook application. In the next method, we'll walk you through that process. Method 3. Repair Microsoft 365 or the installed version of Outlook. To repair your Outlook application, or any version of Microsoft 365, start by opening the Control Panel. Then, click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, locate your version of Outlook or Microsoft 365. Right-click on it. I'm using Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021, so I'll right-click on that, and then select Change. In the next window, choose the Quick Repair option and click Repair. You'll see a confirmation prompt that says, Ready to start a quick repair? Simply click Repair again to proceed. The repair process will now begin and may take a few moments to complete. Once it's finished, restart Outlook and check if the issue has been resolved. In most cases, Outlook should now run smoothly without any errors. So these are the 3 effective methods to fix the Microsoft Outlook not responding error. Thanks for watching.